Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable biometrics in XM application. If you want to turn on the biometric authentication in the XM mobile app, here's how you do it. Launch open the XM application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home page. Once you do, from your profile section, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on Security. Underneath Security, click on Biometric Login. Now toggle on the switch right next to Biometric Login and scan your Face ID or your Touch ID from your smartphone. Once you do that, you'll be able to enable biometrics in XM application. Now you can unlock the XM app with fingerprint or face recognition. You can also use the Face ID or biometrics to approve trades or withdrawals if supported. Enabling biometrics adds an extra layer of security and convenience to your XM app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.